Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Go High Level subscription. And it's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, of course, you need to log into your Go High Level account and then access your dashboard. Now here what you're going to do is you're going to locate the account settings or billing option within your dashboard. And then this you can usually be found in the top right hand corner, or you can go this under a menu icon depending on your screen size. Then find the subscription details. So within account settings or billing option, you have your subscription details. So you want to look for the information related to your trial subscription, and then you want to look for an option that will be labeled cancel trial or cancel subscription. Just cancel. Click on that option to initiate the cancellation progress. It'll take you to this page, and you want to come here and select to cancel your subscription. Just want to fill in your details, your full name, email, phone, and give them the reason why you're actually canceling, and then you can go ahead and confirm the cancellation, and that should go ahead and get you initiated, and that will initiate the process of the cancellation, and you will be going through the final checks. They will send you a confirmation email whether you really want to cancel, and then once it is done, you confirm your decision. You'll get another email that says your trial has been successfully canceled. Then you can go ahead and verify your cancellation. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out. If it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.